leikefitness LEIKE Bike Ultra Quiet Folding Exercise Bike Review. Adjustable resistance. Users can easily adjust the resistance level for a customized workout. Comfortable seat, cushioned and adjustable for maximum comfort during longer workouts. Sturdy construction. The frame is made from high-quality steel for durability and stability. Non-slip pedals are designed to provide a secure grip for users' feet. Adjustable handlebars. Users can adjust the handlebars to find the most comfortable position. Transportation wheels. The bike is equipped with wheels for easy movement from room to room. Phone holder. A built-in phone holder keeps users' devices within reach during workouts. Heart rate sensors are on the handlebars to monitor users' heart rates. Easy assembly. The bike has everything needed for easy assembly, and the process is straightforward. Compact design. The bike is compact enough to fit in most closets or under most beds when folded up. Lightweight. The bike weighs only 30 pounds, making it easy to move around as needed. Durable paint finish. The bike's paint finish is designed to resist scratches and other damage. Affordable price. The leikefitness LEIKE bike is affordable for most budgets. Smooth operation. The bike's high-quality bearings ensure a smooth, stable ride. 100% satisfaction guarantee. The manufacturer offers a 100% satisfaction guarantee for added peace of mind.